Hey guys, welcome back to GWiz Academy and welcome back to WordPress course. So in our last video, we have seen how to install WordPress on our local computer, right? We don't need any domain or we don't need any hosting, without which also we can easily create and develop multiple WordPress websites on our computer itself, right? So that's what we have seen in our last video. This is the website that we have installed locally on our computer, right? So there are no options here to manage this. Where do we go and add WordPress page? If I want to change this, I want to create more pages, I want to create more posts, I want to have a logo, I want to add menus, and for all those things we need a dashboard, right? How do you log into that dashboard? To log in into any WordPress dashboard, what you need to do is, if this is a WordPress URL, all you need to do is add a / and type wp-admin. That's it. And if you click on enter, it will redirect you to a WordPress dashboard login screen. And if you are an admin of this WordPress website, then you will have the credentials. If you remember, in our last video, what we did is we created this username and password while we were installing this WordPress website, right? Or if you're someone who is trying to access WordPress dashboard, then you should get the admin username and password from the website owner. Only then you will be able to log into your WordPress website and create or manage your WordPress website. So I know this WordPress admin dashboard username and password, so I'll type it in quickly and click on enter to check my dashboard. So let's see how WordPress dashboard looks like. This is the WordPress dashboard that we just created or downloaded or installed, whatever. So these are the options that comes with WordPress as soon as you install a WordPress website. Here you can see your website. Click on this link and see our website, and you can this is a plus icon that we can quickly create new media page, user or post. Here posts, media, pages, comments, appearance, plugins, user, tools, settings, and all these things. We will see all those options one by one in our future videos, but right now this is the way we log in into our WordPress dashboard. There is one more method we can log in into our dashboard. Let me quickly log out here and let me go back to our main website. And as you know, this is the admin dashboard for our local WP software, right? Here as well we can click on this WordPress admin and redirect to the login screen. But here we need to remember our admin login username and password. But what if you are having 10 to 15 WordPress websites and you don't have time to remember the login details of every website? So what you need to do is you need to click on this, activate this option called as turn on one-click admin. So what this will do is, whenever you click on admin now, it will directly take you inside the dashboard. You don't have to enter your username and password. You got access to the WordPress backend directly. How? Because you enabled this one-click admin. In the sense, it will not ask you again and again WordPress username and password. Instead, it will directly take you inside and give you the access to the WordPress backend. This is the two methods by which you can log into your WordPress dashboard. You can use this option only when you are using local WP software. But in case, let's say if this website was live and it is hosted on some other random server, then what is the option? You just need to type /wp-admin and go to the login screen, insert the username and password and get access to the WordPress dashboard. That's it. It's as simple as that. So I hope you now understood how to access the dashboard. So that's it for this video, and we'll see you in the next video with another concept of WordPress themes. What is WordPress theme and why do we use it and how to install it? These things we will be seeing in our next video. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you.